Good morning children. Today we are going to see the question and answers for the lesson 7, which is the advanced features of the Excel. Here first question is, what is a chart? So the chart is an effective way to display data in the pictorial form. Okay, this is the first point. The second point is, the charts make it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship and trends among the values in a range. Then the charts provide more accurate and analysis of the information. Okay, so the chart is the effective way to display the data in the pictorial form. The charts make it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship and trends among the values in the range. The charts provide more accurate analysis of the information. The next one is, what is data sheet? Okay, so to insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called data sheet. Then the chart is updated automatically with the change in data. Data sheet means the sheet with which there is the data, and that data is used to draw the chart. Okay, so the special window where the data is displayed is called the data sheet. Okay, the special window in which the data is displayed is called data sheet. And whenever there is a change in the data, the chart also is updated. Now, what are the components of the chart? The various components of the chart is, you should write only the titles. The chart area, the category axis, the value axis, the data series, category name, plot area and legend. All the 7 points you should write. Okay, chart area, category axis, value axis, data series, category name, plot area and the legend. Okay, all this 7 should be there for the components of the chart. Now coming to what is chart area. The chart area is, it includes all the area and objects in the chart. All the area and objects in a chart. Okay, now the fifth question is, what is a plot area? Okay, it is a window within a chart area. Okay, which contains the actual chart. So it is the window within the chart area which contains only the actual chart. So with what is there inside that? You will be having the plotted data, the data series, the category and value axis only. Okay, so the plotted data is there, data series, category and value axis only is there. Okay, so the plot area is the actual area, whereas the chart area is the entire area, all the area and objects. Okay, now coming to the sixth question. How to create a chart instantly? Okay, this answer is here. To create a chart instantly, you have to select the data that we want to present in the chart. Then press the F11 function key. Press the F11 function key. Okay, now coming to the 7th question. What are the different types of charts available? Okay, you can only write the names. The different types of charts available in Excel are column chart, bar chart, line chart and the pie chart. Only the names. Okay, so column chart, bar chart, line chart and the pie chart. What is the 8th question? What is column chart? The column chart is the commonly used chart. Okay, first point. Okay, it is to display data. You can strike this and write, it is to display data in the form of vertical bars. In the form of vertical bars. It shows the data change over a period of time. Okay, it shows the data change over a period of time or compare with the different data items. That's all. Okay, what is this column chart? The column chart is the most commonly used chart. First point. Second one, it will display the chart in the form of vertical bars. Then the changes in the data over a period of time or any comparisons can be done in this chart. Okay, the 9th question, what is a line chart? Line chart, the chart is in the form of lines. Okay, it is similar to plotting the graph on a graph paper. You need not write the it is similar to plotting the graph. Till this it is enough. Need not write all this. Then a line chart causes or uses the connecting dots to display the trends in data over a period of time. Okay. The line chart will display the trends in data over a period of time. So 2 points. The chart is in the form of lines. The second one, it is similar to plotting a graph. And the third point, it will be displaying the trends in data over a period of time. Okay. Coming to the 10th question, what is pie chart? Pie chart is the chart which displays the data in the form of a circle. Okay. Then the make up the data series to the sum of the items. That is need not, you don't write that. Only this in the form of a circle. Okay. It always shows only one data series. Okay. It will always show only one data series. Okay. That is enough. That's all. So the chart will display the data in the form of a circle. Then it will always show only one data series. Now coming to the 11th question, what is formatting a chart? Formatting the chart means we are going to improve the appearance of the chart. Okay. Then you can format a chart by adding the title, changing the text, font, color, width, border style, legend, data series, etc. We can also change you strike this U and write V. We can also change the numbers on value axis, hide or show the grid lines, etc. Okay. So formatting means we are going to improve the appearance of the chart. We can add the title, the text, font, line color, width, border style, legend, data, etc. Then we can also change the number on the value axis, hide or show the grid lines. Okay. Now coming to what is legend? 12th question, what is legend? Legend is a box that identifies the patterns or colors assigned to the data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. Legends mostly appear on the right of the chart and you can also place them anywhere as per your choice. Okay, so legend is a box that identifies the patterns or colors assigned to the data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. The legends mostly appear on the right of the chart and you can also place them anywhere on the chart. Okay. Now coming to what is an axis? 13th question, what is an axis? An axis is the side of the chart that contains the values according to which the chart is plotted. So you need the axis. So it is the side of the chart which will have the values to which the chart is plotted. Okay. So it is in the bar or a column chart. It is x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis in bar chart or in the column chart. Okay. So these two things you should know. What is an axis? An axis is the side of the chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. So in the bar or the column chart, we have two axes which are named as x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now we are going to see the 14th question. What is consolidation? Consolidation means combining of data. Okay, we can combine data of various ranges either in the same or in the different worksheet. Okay, either in the same sheet or in the different worksheet. So two things we have, we can consolidate, that is combining the data either in the same worksheet or in the different worksheet. Now what is grouping worksheets? This is the last question, 15th question. What is grouping worksheets? We know that by default there are 3 worksheets. Okay, then we can enter data in all the three. The purpose of grouping the worksheet is to enter the common data, formatting effects and formulas. That is to uniform the work. Okay, to make the work very easy. Okay, so this is what is grouping worksheets. That is we are going to enter the common data, formatting effects and formulas. So we are going to group all these three worksheets. Okay, so these are all the 15 question answers which you should be writing in your classwork notebook. Okay, so first one is what is a chart we saw, then what is a data sheet, then the components of the chart. You should only write these names. Okay, then what is the chart area, you should write this one, and what is the plot area, you should write what is this plot area. And then how are we going to create the chart instantly? So to create the chart instantly, we are going to select the data and press the F11 function key. Then what are the types of charts we are using? Column chart, bar chart, line chart and the pie chart. You should write only the names. Then what is the meant by column chart or what is column chart? You should write the column chart is the commonly used chart. Then it is represents the data in the form of columns or vertical bars. Okay, then what is this line chart? Line chart will represent the data in the form of lines. Okay, it is similar to plotting a graph. Then it will be connecting the dots and it will display the trends. Okay, coming to what is this pie chart? Pie chart is it will display the data in the form of a circle and it will be showing only one data series. You will not be having two data series. You will be having only one data series. Then formatting the chart, we are going to improve the appearance of the chart using this formatting. Then what is this legend? Legend is nothing but the pattern which we are giving is been identified. Okay, and it will be helping to read the chart accurately and it will be always appearing on the right hand side of the chart, or we can move it according to our wish. Then what is this axis? Then the axis is the side of the chart where values are mentioned, and in the column or the bar chart you will be having two axes which is called as X and another one is called as Y. Then coming to consolidating, we have to combine the data whether in the same sheet or in different worksheets. Then what is this grouping the worksheet? We have three worksheets by default. If you want to apply the same formula, the same formatting feature or the same data across the sheets, you have to use this grouping the data sheets. Okay, so we have already given the 1 marks. I will send you again the pic of this. You have to be clear on this 1 mark and then you have to write all these 15 question answers in your classwork notebook. Okay children, thank you.